Okay, today we're talking about the mode of the data set, so put your name and date at the top. The mode of the data set is also known as the most frequent number. Frequent meaning how often something occurs. So if it's occurring the most frequent, it's the number that we should see the most. So there's a couple of things that are a little bit different about mode. When you're talking about mode, there can actually be more than one mode in a data set, or no mode in a data set. So for example, in the data set 4, 7, 10, 7, 2, 4, I have 4 in there twice and I have 7 in there twice. That's my mode. There's two modes, it's 4 and 7. Whereas in the data set 2, 3, 9, 8, there's no number that occurs more than once, so there is no mode. The first thing you should do is order your numbers from least to greatest. And the reason I say that, it's not 100% necessary for finding mode, but once you guys get into mode and median, you're going to have to order them anyway, so you might as well do that to make sure you're not making any mistakes. Once your numbers are in order from least to greatest, you can count the numbers to see which is, I should say, represented the most. But I'm actually coming to you from the future, and I've gone back and changed this in the past. So you're going to find the mode of the following data sets. So let's start off by just putting the numbers in order from least to greatest. I'm going to start out, looks like the smallest one I have is 13. So I have 13, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, right? 4 13s. All right, then I have a 14 and a 14, a 16 and an 18, and a 21. All right, helpful tip from your really, really genius math teacher here. This takes all of 3 seconds to do, and it saves you from making so many silly mistakes. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers in my original set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers in my new set. That's going to keep you from missing any numbers. So now I'm going to figure out which one is the one number I see the most, and easily I can tell that my mode is 13. So I'm going to box it up like a present. Probably could have told you that, like I said, without ordering it. And for mode, it makes sense, but you're going to have to do it anyway for median, so it's just a good habit to get into. Go ahead and try the second one on your own. All right, hopefully you've already done this one. I'm going to go ahead and do what I like to do and put this in order. So I have 76, I have 76, I have 77, I have 84, I have 85, I have 89. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now you're going to go ahead and look for the number that you see the most frequently. And here, again, we only have one mode. It is 76. That was a mistake. I meant to put one in there that had more than one mode, but that is okay. If you have more than one mode, you would just write mode 76, comma, whatever the other one is. If there is no mode, you would just write no mode. Please, please, please remember, you can have more than one, or you can have none, or you can have just one. All right, guys, you have 6 problems here to try out. This should probably be some pretty easy homework for you tonight. I would prefer it if you tried ordering the numbers least to greatest, but I can't go as far as to say you must, even though I should say that, because it's going to be helpful to you in the future. Have a good day.